If you're familiar with any of my earlier videos, I like to vlog from the driver's seat. You might notice something a bit different. We have a new rig. We landed the perfect rig. Perfect for us, at least. This is a 1985 Volkswagen water-cooled Vanagon. I don't know about you guys, but I've never seen a rig with hardwood floors. So this vehicle is a non-runner, as most of the vehicles I purchase are. You get a better deal, but you really don't know what you're inheriting because it's a non-runner. Fortunately enough, this rig is well documented. The motor has blown a seal of some sort, and it's pouring coolant all over the place. I scooped them up in hopes that I can either, one, get the coolant seal sorted out, or two, pull the entire motor and rebuild them to ensure that we have a 100% roadworthy rig. I don't even know what's in here, but it looks very expensive. This bird, dude. It honestly took me some time unloading all of this stuff out of the rig. The original owner had a lot of parts, some of which are brand new, and some of which are old. These are parts that have been replaced in years' time. I did a little bit of organizing and separated a lot of old stuff versus new stuff. And there's one particular trend. This rig was well loved. I have nothing but Go Westy parts and factory parts. There are no cheap knockoffs or anything like that at all in this parts pile. Find a vehicle with documentation, especially if you're buying something as old as this VW right here. So we have the Bible. There's even little flags right here. Service records. I have, I don't know, roughly an inch worth of documents, and these are all repairs that this van has seen over the years. And I actually did do some digging, and the oldest one I did find was 1990. That was a big reason on why I picked up this rig. I felt like it was well taken care of and loved. I don't know much about Volkswagen vans. All I know is that the engine's in the back, under this bed. Also hardwood back here. And it's got some weight because it's real wood. Holy hell. Insulation. Smart idea. Open. Open. And it just reeks of coolant because of that seal popping. So I'm just doing a quick visual inspection right now. This rig is a manual transmission, so e-brake up, e-brake holds. Pull the rig out of gear. What you want to do is actually grab it and see if you can rotate the engine by hand. Need two hands for that. We're on a compression stroke. That's why it was a bit tough. Grab it and just rotate it. If it spins freely, then you know you don't have any valve train issues or bad connecting rods. Just keep pulling it. So right now everything is super smooth. I'm on a compression stroke, so I did one full revolution of the motor. Compression stroke, exhaust stroke. So yeah, just rotating. That's good. Next, what I did was pop off the distributor. Take a look at that. Pop off the cap and rotor and take a look. And this looks fairly new. And it's another kit from Go Westy, which was cool. Rotate the engine and see if your distributor moves. So as you can see, the distributor is moving every time I crank the motor over. So we know the connection from here to the oil pump is good. Those are the first two things I'd recommend anyone doing if you're finding a vehicle that is a non-runner. And doing just a quick visual inspection, looking at exhaust. Exhaust looks really good. He told me it was a Go Westy Shorty exhaust. He told me the power steering was never hooked up because it just kills the power of the motor. These things are not powerful at all. Yeah, I think the best way to check to see if we actually have voltage would be hazards. Awesome. Ignition. Oh, we have all the good sounds. I think I'm gonna bump start it and see if anything happens. You be my eyes and ears and let me know if anything like sets fire, okay?